There's 3 things you don't bring up at a bar. Your exes, your sobriety, and your exes. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bar School. I'm Beau Robinson. The government's open again. Strapped for cash? Need to get messed up fast? Well, get a Long Island. Don't act like you've never heard of a Long Island iced tea before. Everybody's heard of it, but nobody ever remembers drinking it. I remember. The history of the Long Island is almost as complicated as the drink itself. I mean, 1, who knew there were 2 Long Islands? And 2, what are the chances that both Long Islands came up with almost the exact same drink? About as good as Donald Trump's chances of making it all 4 years. It was 1972, the Oak Beach in Long Island, New York, when Robert Rosebud Butt came up with his version of the Long Island iced tea during a competition in which the challengers were asked to make a cocktail using triple sec. Robert came up with a cocktail that used vodka, gin, rum, tequila, triple sec, sour mix, with a dash of cola on top to make the first ever Long Island iced tea. Or so he thought. What about Long Island, Tennessee? This island on the Holston River in Kingsport, Tennessee was home to Charlie Old Man Bishop, an illegal alcohol distiller during the Prohibition days in the 1920s. We don't have any pictures of Charlie, but after doing extensive research, we've come to find out that Charlie probably looked something like this. And his son Ransom, who plays a heavy part in this story, looks oddly enough like Kid Rock. During Prohibition, people wanted to get messed up fast and wanted to avoid being caught by police with possession of alcohol. So Old Man Bishop came up with a cocktail that had a ½ ounce of rum, gin, and tequila with a full ounce of vodka and whiskey. But the secret ingredient to make this drink palatable was a dash of maple syrup. Then his son Ransom came along in the 1940s and revamped the recipe by adding lime and lemon juice along with Coca-Cola. But Mr. Butt denies all claims. He even denies the fact that in the 1960s, that Long Island appeared in Betty Crocker's New Picture Cookbook, along with the American Home All-Purpose Cookbook as well. What a guy. Here's my favorite rendition of the Long Island. Now, I've seen a ton of people grab a Collins glass and pour their ingredients straight in. I like to shake my cocktails. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our tins. Add ice to your tin. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of everything. 3/4 of an ounce of vodka, gin, white rum, tequila, triple sec. The only thing that's not 3/4 of an ounce is our sour mix. And we're gonna do a full ounce of sour mix. Then we're gonna shake our ingredients. When you're done, grab a Collins glass and add ice to it. To make the best Long Island, I double strain mine. And I'm gonna double strain my ingredients right into this glass. We're gonna top it off with some cola. Garnish it with a lemon. And for fun, add a straw. Did you catch what we put in that? That's a top shelf Long Island if I ever saw one. And if you're gonna waste a bunch of good liquor by mixing them all together like this, just make sure you can write it off on your taxes. My name is Beau Robinson, this is Bar School, and I wanna give a special thanks to my man Erik Stotler. If it wasn't for you, I never would have made this drink today. Cheers.